Hey guys, welcome back. We got a real treat for you today. So this is the power supply board for my mother's TV, and somehow it burned out. So what we're going to do today is try and fix it, and I will list the component parts and all the relevant information in the description below. Now this is a 65-inch TV, I believe. It's a Sharp Aquas, and my mother was watching it, and just one day it stopped working. I tested the continuity of this fuse, and it wasn't working. I jumpered the fuse, and it worked for a little bit, and then burned out again. So I think there's something wrong with it, and we're gonna figure out what components we're replacing. Hope that'll fix the problem. All right, here's the second take. We found all the components. So the IC is 7905. That is actually this guy right here. So we're gonna remove that, replace that. The 7001 is the fuse. That's right here. We're gonna desolder that, take that out. 7914 is actually this guy right here. It's 2.2 ohm resistor. The old one seemed a lot beefier, but no matter. And then we got these two, I think, ceramic capacitors or var resistors here. 7817 and 7818.